question to ask you. When is Father Day?
Father Day is on the 5th of December.
Thank you so much, Brave. Very good. Hello, Jamkwan.
Hi.
I have a question to ask you. What color do people usually wear on Father Day?
People usually wear yellow.
Oh, thank you so much, Jamkwan. Hello, Shaipat.
Hello.
I have a question to ask you.
Okay.
Shaipat, why do we celebrate Father's Day?
We celebrate Father Day to show love and respect to our fathers.
Okay, thank you so much, Shaipat.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Hello, Namping.
Hello.
I have a question to ask you.
Okay.
What do you do for your dad on Father Day?
I give him a card, a hug, and flowers.
Oh, thank you so much, Namping. Bye bye. Hello, Shinbi. I have a question to ask you. Shinbi, what does your dad like to do?
He likes to fishing and play sports.
Okay, thank you so much, Shinbi. Bye bye. Hello, Elena.
Hello, children.
I have a question to ask you. How do you help your dad at home?
I help him by washing the car.
Okay, very good, Elena. One. Hello, Anda.
Hello.
Anda, what is one thing you love about your dad?
I love that he is kind and funny.
Thank you so much, Anda. Bye bye. Hello, Kongfang.
Hello.
A questions. What food does your dad like?
He like Thai food, like Tom Yum Goong and Pad Thai.
Very good, Kongfang. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Hello, Kongfang.
Hello.
Okay, Kongfang, a question. What gift would you like to give to your dad?
I would like to give him a card with our picture.
Very good, Kongfang. Hello, Sasa. Sasa, can you tell teacher how do you say I love you, dad, in French, please?
J'aime mon papa.
Okay, thank you so much,
You're
Sasa.
welcome. Bye bye.